Hey you guys, I just wanted to jump on from my shower and show you how to use Monat Shampoo and Conditioner. So I am using the Renew shampoo for medium to thick hair, and I already got my hair wet. Then you're going to want to make sure that the product is well mixed, so you're going to want to shake it up. And then you just put a dime to nickel size amount in your hand. So just a little bit there. And then you start emulsifying, and you're going to want to emulsify for at least 15 to 30 seconds. It will start to get really white and lotiony. So a minimum of 15 seconds, 30 is better. And then you're going to go in and you're going to apply it to the roots of your hair. And the first time you do this, you're really not going to see a bunch of lather, but you want to just concentrate on your scalp and get it all applied. And then you're going to leave this on for 2 to 3 minutes. And so I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to come back after I've rinsed this out and do it again and show you guys the difference. But just concentrate on working it into your scalp, and then you're gonna let it sit on there and do its job. And it's gonna work to break down all of the buildup that's on your roots and scalp from other products that have sulfates and other bad things. So once you get that worked in, you just let it sit. So I rinsed that out really well, and I'm ready to do my second shampoo. So I'm going to do the same thing, make sure it's well mixed. Get the same amount of a dime to nickel size amount. And just emulsify. Gotta emulsify. And I'm going to start applying. And it's almost like magical. The second time you do this, you really start to get a lather. So you're going to just do the same process. Make sure you're concentrating on your scalp. Applying it everywhere. And then you're going to let it set 2 to 3 minutes. One more time. Okay, so I just got done doing a good thorough rinse on that second shampoo. I'm going to wring my hair out. And the final step, I'm going to be using Intensive Repair Conditioner. And the first thing I'm going to do is shake that up. This has a cool kind of dispensing with just a hole in the bottom, so when you originally get it, you're going to take the lid off completely, remove the seal, and then you're going to tighten the lid back on super tight until you hear a click. And then you'll be able to just twist it back, and it'll just open up enough to let you dispense the conditioner. And you're going to put a nickel to a quarter size of conditioner in. You're going to do the same process where you emulsify really well. And then conditioner, actually you only need to apply from your ears down the back, all the way down to the tip of your hair. So you're gonna focus on that area. And if you have leftover, after you've really concentrated there, then you can come back to the front and give a little bit. And then double checking, but I believe this one you're going to want to leave on for 5 minutes to let it do its job. So just massage that in and then let it sit. So I let that sit on for 5 minutes, the conditioner, and then you just want to rinse well again. And then you are done with your shampoo and condition. I'm going to be following up with my Be Balanced Foamy Facial Cleanser. But thank you guys for joining, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and like.